Every single day, over 400 million aluminum cans are opened around the world. They hold your favorite sodas, stay perfectly sealed, and chill your drinks in minutes. But have you ever wondered how a flat, solid piece of metal transforms into this ultra-thin, perfectly shaped cylinder? The engineering behind it is absolutely mind-blowing. Let's break it down. It all starts with massive rolls of aluminum, weighing several tons. These sheets are fed into a high-speed press machine. This machine punches out circular discs, called blanks. Imagine a giant cookie cutter, but for metal. In less than a second, thousands of these flat discs are created. Next comes the magical part, known as drawing and ironing. A powerful hydraulic punch pushes the flat disc through a series of rings. This stretches the metal upwards, turning a flat circle into a hollow cup. The walls of the can are thinned out until they are thinner than a human hair, yet strong enough to hold intense pressure. Once the shape is ready, the cans travel through a massive washing machine to remove any chemical residue. After drying, they spin through a high-speed printing press that applies the brand labels, like Coca-Cola or Pepsi, at a stunning rate of 2,000 cans per minute. A protective spray is then applied inside the can, so your drink never actually touches the raw metal. Finally, the necks are narrowed, and the cans are shipped to beverage companies completely open at the top. They are filled with soda, and the tab lid is sealed instantly. It takes incredible automated precision to make something we take for granted every day. If you love learning how everyday things work, smash that subscribe button for more simple breakdowns. See you next time on Brain Boost.